TxStampin Sharon. I am bringing you a card by request. I shared a card with you guys, I don't know, maybe a month ago, and y'all wanted to know how I made it instead of the one that I shared on the video that day. So that's what today's video is all about. And if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. You can subscribe by hitting the button below and then hit the notification bell. You'll be notified the next time I upload a video. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would be honored to help you with your Stampin' Up! Supply needs. You can find my website in the description box below. So now I'm ready to show you how to make this card. So a few weeks ago, I don't know, maybe a month ago, I shared how to make this card on my video, but I showed y'all this one. So by request from several of you, I am going to show you how I made this card, okay? I'm using the Christmas is Gleaming stamp set. I'm using my favorite stitched rectangle dies. And my cardstock, I'm using very vanilla, thick. Now, as I mentioned before, I cut out, let me get the card. To make this card, I used this piece that I cut out, okay? And then I cut out from the Night of Navy, I cut this out, and that's how I made that card, all right? Let's just talk about my hand, because you all have been so sweet about asking me. So the hand specialist recommended that I wear a compression glove, and it is helping. We still don't have a diagnosis, but who knows? Maybe it's just a fluke thing. I so appreciate all of your kind thoughts and prayers. I've had this now for a month, I guess. It's kind of crazy. Okay, make sure my ornaments are going the right way. Okay, we're going to stick that down. And then add this layer on with some dimensionals. So my very first circle, we're going to get our copper piece, and that was punched out with the 2 1/4 inch punch. My next piece was cut with the Starburst punch in the Night of Navy, and then this circle was punched with the 2-inch punch. Lots of layers, lots of punches. Maybe I didn't show y'all how to do that because I was afraid I'd scare you with all the punches. No, I mean, if you have the punches, great. If you need them, you know where you can find them. You can see the link in the description box below to my store. Oh, now we need another one for the copper. So see, it's just a card full of punches. So I'm going to just stamp my small ornament with Night of Navy. And a tip about punches, whenever you're using a punch to punch something out, you want to look at how the punch is going to go, and then you need to stamp as close to the edge, no matter what edge, of your cardstock so that you don't waste paper. I had a class the other day, and I had some new stampers, and they didn't realize that, and so it just reminded me to tell everybody now. So these are all of our pieces that we need to start assembling. And I just realized that I forgot to add my ribbon. I want my ribbon to wrap around this piece. I know I've shared this tip with y'all before, but if you do what I just did, you can always take your snips, cut those dimensionals, get that off, and fix it. I'm the queen of boo-boos. I'm telling y'all, I can help you with anything. All right, so I really want this Merry Christmas right here. Nice and bold. So we're just going to cut a little bit off of each side. Not much. We don't want to waste our ribbon. And then we're going to add some snail. Perfect. Fits perfect. Now put more glue dots back on, or now put more dimensionals back on because I messed up. But you know what, guys? It's just paper, and like I said, if I can help you with fixing something and not wasting your cardstock, then you know what? I'm willing to sacrifice and do that for y'all. All right, we're gonna put one more in the middle just because this is a large piece. All right, let's try this again. Perfect. Okay, now the first one we're gonna add is our copper. Next is our sunburst. And then finally, this DSP. I love the Brightly Gleaming DSP. I know y'all might be getting sick of me sharing it, but it's just so pretty. We're gonna add a little bit of snail to this side of the ornament. And then we're just gonna overlap it. We'll do it like that. We're gonna pop this up with dimensionals. How many packs of dimensionals do y'all go through? I go through a lot. We're gonna add this to this side. And then I'm gonna add one just at this bottom side. This goes right here. And then next we're gonna take the copper trim and we're gonna tie a little bow. Oh, see if I can tie a bow with this glove on. Yeah, I'm doing good. Just hard to get used to it, but hey, whatever helps, right? We'll add this on with a glue dot. The last thing we're gonna do, Merry Christmas. And be jolly this season. Now you have both samples on 2 different videos. I'll put the other video link to this one, or to this one, I guess, so that you'll have both of them.